Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So today's look is this one right here. This look went completely on a different route. It's definitely not what I was planning on doing. It was supposed to just be a bronzed eye look, like not glam at all, but this went on a different level and it became like a super glam look, especially since I have the glitter on the eyes, and it just went a different direction. So hopefully you guys enjoyed anyway. I hope you do. And if you guys want to see how I came up with this look and what products I used, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're just going to jump right in. As you can see, I have my brows filled in and my eyes are prepped and ready. Today I'm feeling a little bit of a bronze look. So I'm going to grab my Morphe 39A palette. This is the Dare to Create. And the reason why is because it has so many brown shades, like as you can see here, and it has a bunch of the larger pans, which is also really good to bronze up your face, and you can use it for your eyes, your face. It doesn't even matter because makeup, there are no rules. So I will be dabbling into this palette for my eyes and my face. All right, so going in with the JH32, I'm gonna be going in with this color here from the palette. So it's the third largest pan in the palette. And I'm just going to be using this as my transition shade to get the look started. All right, so now I'm gonna switch brushes. I'm gonna grab this Morphe M506 and I'm gonna go in with this shade here. It's deeper in the brown family, and with this color I'm going to be applying it right here, and this is going to help define the eye. With the same brush, I'm going to be grabbing a little bit of this brown here, and I'm just going to be going in right here on the outer V. Going back in with that first brush that I used with no additional product, I'm just going to be blending everything and softening up the edges. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my MAC 242 brush, and I'm going to grab this shimmery shade here from the palette. This is more like a chocolatey, bronzy brown. And with a dry brush, I'm just going to apply that right on the lid, right here. And this is super pigmented, you guys. It's so pretty. And this is using a dry brush, not even going in with a wet brush. Going back in with that M506 brush, I'm going to grab this brown here, and I'm just going to blend out the edges over here on the outer V, and also go into the crease to make sure everything's nicely blended. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with some liquid liner. This one is from Maybelline, and this one is the Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner in the shade Black, and you guys, so good. This is actually a sample that I got from a purchase that I placed, and it's so good. Alright, so now that I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm going to go in with this right here. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. It's a double-sided one is with some sparkles. The other one is more of like a cream shadow. And this one is in the shade Topaz Twinkle. I kind of want to add a little bit of sparkle to the eye. So I'm going to grab this Tarte brush and the sparkly side of the thing from Revlon. And I'm actually, you know what? I'm going to use the brush because there's more product on the brush. I'm going to apply that right on top of the liner. Alright, so that's what the eyes are looking like with the sparkly, glittery liner on top of the black liner. You definitely don't have to do that, but I kind of wanted to add a little bit of something to the eyes, and since I saw this, I was like, you know what, that would be a little nice look to the eye. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some lashes, and then I'll be back to finish off the rest of the makeup. Alright guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I have my lashes on, and now we're going to move on to face primer. So I'm going to go in with the Ruby Kisses Never Touch Up face primer. This is the Goodbye Pores. I'm also going to go in with a little bit of this spray right here from Catrice. This is the Hydrating Prime and Care Spray. It refreshes the skin. It has aloe vera, matcha tea, and panthenol, something like that. And I just love the way this smells, you guys. Oh, it smells so good, and it feels really hydrating on the skin because my skin has been feeling super dry, and I mean, it definitely helps if you go in with a spray like that. I'm actually going to add a little bit more because I'm extra. I really feel like that helps my skin a lot, especially when I'm going in with, like, you know, makeup application and things like that. So now for foundation, I'm going to go in with this one from Anastasia. This is the, what is this? The Luminous Foundation. And I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge. Alright, so now for concealer, I'm going to go in with this one. You guys, this one is so good. This is the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. I have mine in the shade number 6. And I really like this concealer, you guys. It's actually really good. I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge to blend out the concealer. To cream contour, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut. To blend that out, I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques contour brush. To blend out the rest, I'm just going to use my Real Technique sponge, and I'm just going to pat all over those areas so at least it looks smooth and it doesn't look harsh. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and set my under eye with the RCMA powder and my e.l.f. blush brush. Alright, so now I'm going to bronze up my face. I'm going to go in with the Becca Chloe Malika palette right here. And this is what it looks like, just like that. I'm going to go in with the bronzer, and I'm also going to be using my Japanesque 961 brush. And I'm just going to be applying this all over that LA Girl Pro Conceal. For highlighter, I'm going to be grabbing this Milani brush right here. This is the all over blending brush. And going in with that same palette, I'm going to be grabbing this beautiful golden highlighter and applying that right on the cheekbone. That is so pretty. Look at that. Looks so good. Going to be going in with some on the tip of my nose. My Cupid's bow, of course. I'm gonna add a little bit on the brow bone right here. And I think I'm gonna add a little bit on the inner corner of the eye. And I'm going to be going in with this brush. It's the JH42. Just adding a little bit right here on the inner corner of the eye. All right, so now I'm going to be grabbing this brush right here. This one is the JH43, and going in with the Morphe palette, I'm going to be grabbing the black in the palette, which is right here. Oh my god, this is a huge palette. It's like knocking me over. I'm going to grab the black in the palette with this brush, and I'm just going to line the lower lash line. All right, so now I'm going to be grabbing this brush right here from Morphe. This is the M321, and I'm going to be grabbing this color here and also a little bit of this, mixing those two together. And then I'm just going to smudge this on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with this Rimmel eye definer in the shade In the Nude. Now I'm just going to be adding a little bit of mascara on the lower lashes. All right, so moving on to lips, you guys, I'm going to be going in with this lip liner from Jordana, and this one is in the shade Coco Loco. For lipstick, I'm going to be going in with this one from Maybelline. This one is in the shade Darling Nude. I'm also going to add a little bit of this Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer, and this one is in the shade Unreal. This is actually like one of my favorite lip toppers, liquid lipstick. It's just so good, you guys. It makes your lips look really good. But I really love that. Yeah, so I thought I was just gonna do like a simple bronzy look, but it kind of went from 0 to 100 really fast. It looks super glam, and this glitter, I mean, that I went in with kind of like amped up the look a little extra, but that's okay. Now I'm just gonna finish off the face, and I'm just gonna set it with the Catrice Hydrating Prime and Care Spray. All right, you guys, so this is the final look right here. I honestly didn't think I was going to go super glam with this look, but I mean, hey, I got a little carried away and it happens, but I absolutely love the way it looks. The glitter on the black on top of the black liquid liner looks amazing. I mean, this is actually really nice for maybe like the holidays, and I really like it. It's super simple, but it looks super glam. So I'm really loving this, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.